Like, I don't even know why I brought these to you. I'm sorry. Grape, ew.
It's not even really a flavor.
Oh my gosh! Hey everybody, it's Ro. Welcome to 12 Days of Cookies. We are day 10. And look who I'm hanging out with. It's Josh.
Hello.
Today we are gonna be making stained glass ornament cookies. So these are cookies we can eat and decorate with. Are you ready for this?
I told you, I'm very intimidated about this. I think I could do it. The decorating of the ornaments is one thing. The stained glass is throwing me for a loop.
It's fun. It's just candy. For my audience, for my community, if they aren't familiar, if they haven't seen your content, he's a fellow foodie, you guys. He loves breakfast. He makes content, TikTok, Snapchat, and he's like the top creator of food on. You tell him where to find you.
I'm on Snapchat. They tell me that I'm the top organic food person on Snapchat, Instagram, TikTok, breakfast, crazy things. I see the eggs. I feel at home.
Wait, what is this, your sweater?
Yeah, Merry Breakfast.
Oh my gosh, I love it. You guys, check this out.
You said dress festive.
You literally, it's the holiday sweater, but he's got the eggs, he's got the pancakes.
Yep. Let's get started.
First step to making these cookies is we're gonna whisk together our dry ingredients. I know you do a lot of breakfast, but do you do cookies?
I've been known to dabble in the confection art.
Okay, well this is an easy one. This is fun. So what you're gonna do is we've got flour, a little bit of cinnamon, and salt. Just whisk them together and set them off to the side.
Okay.
So I'm gonna hand you the whisk.
I'm good with the whisk.
You can do this. All right, you put in the cinnamon.
Okay.
I'll put in the salt, little salty, and then just whisk together.
How many like rotations do you think you've done in terms of whisking in your lifetime?
Oh, too many to count. This is beautiful. Nice
we're
job.
good.
Perfect. All right, we're gonna set this off to the side, and now we're gonna cream together our butter and sugar. All right, so in a large mixing bowl, thank you.
This is Nerdy Nummy?
Yeah, that's our
Do you
little
know
smart cookie.
I still use my Rosanna Pansino like cake scraper thing. I have the whole like
heart.
It was a while ago you sent me those.
I know, I love
I still use those. All right.
I love it.
Room temp, unsalted butter.
Oh my gosh, who is this guy? A pro, a fellow foodie? Oh my goodness, you guys. He's hosting now. Look at him go. Okay. Yes, soft room temperature butter, scoop it in there, and that's the easiest to cream together. You don't want it melted and you don't want it cold from the fridge.
No.
And then this, we're not doing regular granulated sugar, we're doing powdered sugar.
Is there a difference between powdered sugar and icing sugar? It's the same, right?
I think it's the same.
Just like depending geographically where you're from?
I think that's true. The powdered sugar is the icing sugar, because this is what you make all the cookie icings out of.
Yeah,
all the
royal
frostings.
icing?
Yeah.
I made royal icing the other day.
You did?
Yeah, egg whites.
Wow,
Same.
you guys, it's nice to have a baker in the house. I am very excited.
Yeah, we're off to a good start. All right.
I am so impressed. This is where we're gonna mix together for a couple minutes until it's light and fluffy. We've creamed together that butter and sugar, and then we're gonna add our eggs and a little bit of vanilla extract. Okay, so this is gonna take a couple minutes on like medium-high speed. All right, once that's together, now we're gonna add 2 eggs. You're just gonna use 2 yolks, not the egg white. We just want the yolk. And I'm gonna add a little bit of vanilla. I'm gonna do it all at once. We can do it. Look at us.
Party.
Wild. Yes, break those yolks up.
I love that color.
This is looking good. Now add all of your dry ingredients into your large mixing bowl with your butter mixture.
And now we mix. It's a cloud's gonna happen, I'm just saying.
Okay, if it happens, it's okay, and you can scrape down the sides when you need to. All right, let's do it.
Oh, that's over dramatic.
Okay, that was pretty good, actually.
You know, one time I was frying eggs and it got a little carried away, and you know when the eggs are frying and it's a little too hot and it pops?
Oh, yeah.
It popped
Yeah.
in my eye. In my eyeball. Never skip egg day, but wear protective eyewear. So we're not cooking any eggs, but we're being stylish in the kitchen.
This is protective eyewear. You don't need to wear those science goggles.
cool.
Oh, shut up. I just got the coolest sunglasses in. Do you want to see them?
Yes.
Hold on. Oh my God.
I love eyewear.
Oh my God. Josh, hold on. Okay, put these puppies on. Put these puppies on. Are you kidding? That's deal with it.
Now we're talking.
We need to do a picture right now. Beautiful. It's beautiful.
It's an incredible picture.
Okay, now that we got our dough ready, this is looking so good. Thank you. This is so nice having helping hands, you guys. This is a dream over here. So look at that. That's beautiful. That's what we want. Just kind of put it into a disc like that, and then we're gonna wrap it up tight in some food safe plastic wrap, and then we're gonna pop it in the fridge to chill for about 30 minutes. And after it's chilled, we'll roll it out.
What would happen if you didn't chill it?
If you roll it out now, the problem with the dough is it's really tacky. It's sticky, it's really soft. So you put it in there to chill to firm up.
Got it.
It makes it a lot easier to work with. Like if you're in a time crunch, I mean, you could throw a ton of flour on it to reduce the sticky, but it's still so soft that after you cut them out and you like transfer them to a baking sheet, they lose their shape.
What if we weren't making them into shapes, we were just like scooping them into balls?
Oh yeah,
Then you could do it, no problem,
if
right?
you just want a little sloppy cookie.
Sometimes you want a sloppy cookie.
Yeah, you could do a sloppy cookie.
Okay, for the impatient people, for the impatient people.
Because the taste will be very similar.
Yeah.
All right, boom, fridge time.
We just took the dough out of the fridge, rolled it out, and I think we're ready to make cutouts, no?
Yeah. And then basically, you can use any cookie cutter you have around the house. Like one of them is a star, literally just a star. But these ones I found online. I found like a little set of ornaments. I used to think it was ornaments.
It's
like there was a D in there, but there's not.
It's ornaments?
It's ornaments.
Huh.
All right, so you're just gonna press down. We're gonna cut these out. So we got our little shape. Oh my gosh, look how cute this is.
So perfect.
And just gently press down. It's gonna pop right out. Look how clean that is. Then I'm just using a little circle cookie cutter. This wasn't anything special. They just did not come together. And oh my God, please come. I mean,
that is actually perfect.
Kind
but
of love
one
that
more
it
thing to
sticks.
make it an ornament.
yes.
You gotta
little-
actually, right? Like the
Yeah,
little...
we need a little circle. That's what's gonna make it an ornament. So I'm just using
I
a
broke
little. That's okay. That's okay. Look at
broke
this.
it. I failed.
Fixed.
Oh, never mind.
Look at that. That's
Yeah,
the great
nailed
thing
it.
about dough. And to make the little hole, like I didn't have a circle this small, so you can just use metal tip, the end of the tip.
For a piping bag, right?
Boom. Yeah.
I know.
Foodies. We get each other. All right, so now you're just gonna have fun and you can cut out as many cookies as you want, place them on the tray, and they do puff up a little bit, but they don't spread much. And that's why you wanna use powdered sugar versus granulated sugar. If you use powdered sugar, they will spread less. So you can get them pretty close together on this sheet. Look at this one. Doesn't this look fancy? It looks like you'd see this like at some fancy department store. I mean, look how fancy it is. You can do this with so many different things. And then, I can't wait. Okay, after we get some on here, then we get to make them stained glass.
This is where I get intimidated.
Wait, have you done this before?
No.
You have not done
Never.
This is so
You said it was
fun.
just candy, so like we're talking about sugar?
You're gonna love it. Okay, so keep cutting out your cookies, fill up your sheet, and then we're gonna make these stained glass cookies. Now we're gonna heat the oven to 325 degrees and bake them for about 12 minutes. We're gonna bake them, put the candies in, and then bake them one more time, so it's a double bake. Oh wow, and this was the patience episode.
Yeah.
For you.
I'm learning things today.
Wow, this is really gonna be testing your patience today.
Cookies are in the oven
Mm-hmm.
baking, and Ro just brought out a whole bunch of Jolly Ranchers.
Okay, now this is the fun part. So we've got a cutting board, and underneath I put a little clean kitchen towel to reduce the noise. It is gonna be a little noisy. So we're gonna unwrap these hard candies, put them in here, and crush them up. Okay, ready? Favorite Jolly Rancher flavor on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Strawberry.
Watermelon. What is your favorite Jolly Rancher flavor? Let me know down below. Number 1 for me is watermelon.
I should have said
Number
watermelon.
2,
I think watermelon's my favorite.
okay, watermelon is, oh my gosh.
How do you
and
feel
then sour
about
apple.
How do you feel about like adjacent flavors, like the tropical versions, or like, you know what I mean?
I'm like okay with all of it, except for these. Like I don't even know why I brought these to you. I'm sorry. Grape, ew.
It's not even really a flavor.
Oh my gosh. Okay, are you ready?
So we'll start with watermelon.
Let's do watermelon.
Both of our. I'm sorry for lying about strawberries. I think watermelon's my favorite.
I'm just glad your favorite flavor wasn't grape. It doesn't taste like a grape at all.
No.
Okay, here we go. Ready? Now, usually I use a hammer, but we're using a meat thingy.
Don't use a spike
Tenderizer.
end. Don't use a spiky end.
That will break the bag.
Yeah.
Okay, this is gonna be loud. So I'll start, you finish. You ready?
Okay, go.
Okay. Okay, your turn.
Whoa.
Just go for it. Go for it.
This is pretty effective.
Yeah. Just get in there. Beautiful. Then you're gonna do this to the rest of your candies. Crush them up. Now, in front of us, we've got our crushed up candies and our cookies. We took them out of the oven, gave them plenty of time to cool. You don't wanna do this while they're still warm because the candies will start to kind of melt and stick to them. Now, I have made these before. You can, with just like basic cookie dough, fill them up and then bake them, but the problem is that the candy would melt quicker, but then the cookie wasn't done baking and then it kind of like would bubble up, and so it would kind of like spill out like bubble. So bake the cookies 12 minutes, put in the crushed candy, then bake for 3 more minutes. Easy.
Math.
Yeah, math. Okay, so here we go. Look at this. We're gonna scoop, and you can even put in different colors together. Like I'm gonna put a little pink, and I'm gonna put a little blue raz. Do any one you want.
Okay, I'm gonna do, we'll do green and then blue.
Okay, I'm gonna do purple, but everyone's got a friend who likes that fake flavor of grape. I don't, but this is for them.
I don't know anyone who likes that.
I know 2 people, and I'm like, why? I don't get it, but this is for them. But they just get a little bit. I don't want to give them a lot. Oh my gosh, will you do a red heart?
Yeah, you want me to do it?
Yeah, like the little Grinch when he has his little red heart. Cookies are ready. We're gonna pop them back in the oven at 325 and bake for about 3 minutes. Baking them this way prevents the bubbles. We don't want the bubbles.
No.
No bubbles, no bubbles, bubbles, bubbles.
Cookies baked again. They've cooled again. You can see the little stained glass. And now we use royal icing to make designs.
Yeah, which is the cookie icing, everybody. We have it in a little piping bag with little tips at the end for more control. Look at this. This is so pretty. The pink and the red candy came together to do the stained glass. It's so pretty. Oh, look at that one.
I like that. It's so perfect. Like it just melts into it.
We're just gonna add some little details to make them look like the holidays. I'm just gonna do little dots all the way around, like little boop, boop, boops, whatever you want. So you hover above the cookie, put a little pressure, and then release. Hover, pressure, release.
Yours look like
Hover,
cute little
pressure.
Hershey's Kisses, and mine just look like little boogers.
Look, oh my gosh, we can do a little swirly here. Look how cute this is gonna be. Around we go.
This is not.
Boop. Okay, we've decorated all of our cookies, and here's the final decoration step. We're gonna thread through a little piece of ribbon, and you can use any ribbon you want, but I love velvet. Okay, just pinch, thread it through, and then tie a little knot at the top. That's all you gotta do. Okay, that's beautiful.
Not only did I decorate this beautifully, but I also tied the ribbon perfectly.
Now we're gonna tie a bunch of these, and then I'm gonna go get my tree. Tree's coming in. Trees, trees, trees. Uh-oh. Is it gonna fit?
If you stop right there, stop.
What if we made it fit? Yeah, I want it to be like right here. I think that's gonna look great.
Okay, now we're talking.
You guys, we've got the tree, and now we're gonna hang these cute little cookie ornaments all over. Oh, they're so cute. Oh my goodness.
Now, how long are these gonna last before you eat them?
That's a good question. It depends. This is cute. Ta-da!
Ta-da!
Here are the stained glass cookies that we made today. This is really special because I've never actually made a video and made a cookie and hung it on a tree. So this is a first, you guys. An edible craft, the best kind ever. Josh, have you ever done anything like this?
Actually, yes, I have. Years ago, we made a fast food Christmas tree with chicken nugget tinsel and etc. We made tinsel out of chicken nuggets.
No.
Yeah, we hung bacon up everywhere.
A big thank you to Josh for coming and baking with me today. Go follow him, like, subscribe, heart everything on Snapchat, TikTok. What else?
Instagram.
Go check it out, you guys, and I'll be posting this recipe, the measurements, all of the ingredients in the description down below. So if you want to make these cute little cookies at home, you can this season. If you're enjoying these baking videos, stay tuned for tomorrow. We are gonna have a new cookie recipe and a new guest. And if you want to watch any other videos, you can click up here, and Josh, then you point over there, and you say, or up here.
Or up here.
All right, see you soon. Bye, you guys. Happy holidays.
Bye.
Yes, 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 yes,
That was
yes,
great.
yes, yes, we did it.
That was fun.